The Digitex token, not this one, this is just like a metal representation of it, but the actual Digitex token that lives on the blockchain is the native currency of the Digitex Futures exchange. It's the currency in which all account balances on the exchange are denominated. You pay all your margins in Digitex tokens, or your trading profits and losses are in Digitex tokens. So every trader that wants to participate on our exchange, who's attracted to highly liquid futures markets with no trading costs whatsoever, must buy Digitex tokens in order to participate, and that creates demand for the Digitex token, and it's that demand that allows us to operate without charging any transaction fees, because we have our treasury of tokens that we can sell every 3 months to to this group of traders. That's what the Digitex token is, and this little beauty is the very first one that we've made in metal. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yes, thanks.